welcome back to Learn with Samvidya. Today we are going to learn about foods and drinks in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, English, rice, Telugu, biyam, Hindi, chawal, Kannada, akki. Number 2, English, bread, Telugu, rotte, Hindi, roti, Kannada, roti. Number 3, English, curry, Telugu, kora, Hindi, sabzi, Kannada, curry. Number 4, English, egg, Telugu, guddu, Hindi, anda, Kannada, motte. Number 5, English, fish, Telugu, chappa, Hindi, machli, Kannada, meenu. Number 6, English, chicken, Telugu, chicken, Hindi, chicken, Kannada, koli. Number 7, English, chapati, Telugu, chapati, Hindi, chapati, Kannada, chapati. Number 8, English, idli, Telugu, idli, Hindi, idli, Kannada, idli. Number 9, English, dosa, Telugu, dosa, Hindi, dosa, Kannada, dosa. Number 10, English, sweet, Telugu, mithai, Kannada, Hindi, mithai, Kannada, sihi. Number 1, English, water, Telugu, neeru, Hindi, pani, Kannada, neeru. Number 2, English, milk, Telugu, palu, Hindi, doodh, Kannada, halu. Number 3, English, tea, Telugu, chai, Hindi, chai, Kannada, chaha. Number 4, English, coffee, Telugu, coffee, Hindi, coffee, Kannada, coffee. Number 5, English, juice, Telugu, juice, Hindi, juice, Kannada, juice. Number 6, English, coconut water, Telugu, kobbari neeru, Hindi, nariyal pani, Kannada, tengenekai neeru. Number 7, English, buttermilk, Telugu, majjiga, Hindi, chaach, Kannada, majjige. Number 8, English, lemonade, Telugu, nimmarasam, Hindi, nimbu pani, Kannada, nimbu hannu rasa. Number 9, English, cold drink, Telugu, challani paniyam, Hindi, thanda drink, Kannada, thanda drink. Number 10, English, soup, Telugu, soup, Hindi, soup, Kannada, soup. Awesome job, friends. Now you know how to speak foods and drinks in 4 languages. Keep practicing daily and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.